this is Daniel Jorge and I'm a senior software designer with IPC Global.
Today we're going to talk about the QlikView Task Manager and restore capability. This capability is particularly interesting when you want to automate promotions of tasks from one environment to the other, or when you want to restore tasks from a point-in-time backup that you have done before. So here is our development environment. As you can see, we have a bunch of tasks already deployed in here. And here's our production environment. As you can see, no tasks have been deployed in here so far. Right now, I already have the QlikView documents copied over from one server to the other. So all I really need to do is deploy my tasks. So here from the console, let me create a new folder to work with. And let me get all the tasks from the development environment. I want all the tasks from this particular source document entry point that ends in samples. So that's why I'm using the wildcard here. I can filter further, but I don't want to. I want all the document nodes and no task names from the development environment. As you can see, it's getting all the tasks that are present within this particular source document entry point. Now, with all the tasks serialized, what I can do is throw all these tasks into our production server. And one thing that I really need to specify is the source document I want to put into. So right now, I want to put it in a prod sample folder. And the files are going to be all the ones that ends with QlikView job. As you can see, it's already started deploying this. And you can see from the QlikView management console that it restored all the tasks in respecting the hierarchy.
For more information about IPC Global products, please send an email to products@ipc-global.com. For a complete list of QVTM features such as task restore, license export, import, and more, please visit the QVTM website. Thank you for watching.